My name is Brian Reed. I'm the Chief Mobility Officer here at NowSecure. I think everyone in this industry would say it's all about bridging the gap between dev and DevOps and really the security teams. And so culturally, some organizations naturally come together and some organizations are really kind of challenged in this, right? So dev and DevOps, what do they want? They want speed, they want low friction, they don't want to have to learn new tools, they want easy to adopt, they definitely don't want false positives, and they want to be really efficient in what they do and have things integrated at the API level in the existing tools they're using. And of course, everybody wants to build high quality software. On the security side, organizations really are moving from sort of the department of stop and know into our mission simply in security is to make sure we're producing secure apps that meet that software quality bar. So how can we shift left? How can we enable development as security professionals, provide tools, techniques, and advice to enable development really to come together and build security into the applications, right? And do that in a low false positive way. Do that in a way developers naturally work and within the tools they already naturally use. And so really the key to crossing the chasm or bridging the gap is both teams coming together at a people, process, and technology level and recognizing that a partnership together is what really can drive success. So let's talk briefly about how NowSecure helps you deliver secure mobile apps faster. And so we plug into your team and your infrastructure where you need it based on what you need. For many organizations, it's about automating testing within the tool chain itself. So NowSecure can plug in and automatically test every build every day and automatically generate tickets into the ticketing system for developers to fix every day. In this world, there's no new tools to deploy for the developer to learn. Instead, it runs autonomously in the background, giving you built-in security, privacy, and governance on the back end, which is ideal for CI/CD toolchain type environments. For some organizations, they have very little AppSec testing. They're looking for an on-demand, easy-to-deploy solution. And so NowSecure can be deployed. Developers, QA, or security teams can upload binaries at any time. 15 minutes later, they get the results. They can review the results, route them where they need to go, and they're off and running for speed. Some organizations have unusual applications. They might have IoT applications. They need to detect multi-factor, they may be integrating with things, they may have complex use cases, and actually want to do some hands-on testing. So we have automation tools that enable the security analyst to do really complex testing scenarios, in addition to the automated regular daily testing. And in fact, a number of organizations need help with external manual pen tests. It may be that you're in a hurry for a release and you don't have the resources on hand, so you can bring in NowSecure to do the pen test for you in that moment of urgency. Or you may want to have a regular security pen test along with the continuous testing as part of your solution set. And so what really makes NowSecure unique is that ability to bring together fully automated through expert manual outsourced pen testing to give you everything you need on the continuum, and that ultimately means you can deliver secure mobile applications faster in your business.